Hi, my name is Brenda and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a kind of unboxing, which, okay, I already broke into that box, okay? I am very impatient and I actually was not going to film this, usually because I get this subscription pretty late in the month. It is the 13th and I feel like by now everybody's gotten that subscription, but I mean, it's fun to see those. I always liked unboxing videos because then I knew what it had and it made me subscribe to the boxes. So, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, especially with this one, as soon as I can. Like, I literally just went to the mail and I just opened it with my mom because she gets it too. But I'm gonna try to do that whenever I get the subscription. It just doesn't matter what I'm doing. If I can film it at that moment, I will do it. The subscription I am talking about, I'm so full, I just ate a bit ago, it is the Boxycharm, and this is my favorite subscription. Now, it has helped me in a way where I'm not shopping too much for makeup, because I would buy a lot of makeup. And let's be honest, it gets a little ridiculous, because I have makeup that I will never finish. It's the truth. But it's something I love. I have fun with it. I really like it. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm a girl. I'm sorry. So this box has actually helped me in not buying a lot of stuff, because a lot of good things come in here. So I'm not like, you know, going at Ulta and like picking this up, because some of the stuff I actually already get it here. So it works out pretty good. It is worth, well, I pay $20 a month. This subscription is $20 or $21 each month, and the boxes are worth way over that, and I will tell you here how much each item is worth. So, first item I saw when I opened the box is this. It is a Lace and Peel Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. This is going to be pretty interesting. It says it's a medium intensity peel, so we'll see how that goes. My mom and I will make a video on this, trying it out. And it has 2 lace masks plus a 20mm tube, so 20mm tube. So yeah, we'll go ahead and see how this goes. And that mask, it has a price of $30, so it already exceeds the box price. Second thing I saw here is this mascara from It Cosmetics. It is a superhero mascara. Now, for all of you girls that have naturally beautiful curly lashes, I'm pretty sure this mascara is going to be awesome. For me, I'm always doubting because I have very stubborn lashes. Like, I have to use waterproof mascara. Sometimes not every waterproof mascara works for me. They're just downward straight. So, I'm hoping this would actually function better if it doesn't work fine with my lashes right now. I will be getting them lifted in about a week or so, I think. So, by then, you know, they're already permed in a way to where maybe they won't make them go down, since they're already kind of, you know, semi-permanent curled. So I will try that then. I don't know, I might try it tomorrow since I'm just here tomorrow. I will try it, and then if it doesn't work out, I will try it once I get my lashes lifted, which hopefully I can take you that when I get them lifted. I'll ask my girl and see if it's okay with her.
This says it is a 96% look stretch. 96% volume and length, 96% looking lashes, whatever that is. And 100% saw a fuller lash line. Oh, so
Plumper looking lashes. 96% saw dramatic volume and length, and 96% said lashes look stretched. If I would finish reading the whole thing, I would understand. It is not waterproof, unfortunately, and fortunately for a lot of you out there. For me, that's a downside. But it is worth $24 retail price. Now the next thing I saw in the box was this. And I'm so excited because I love Kat Von D. I love it. I just love her stuff. And it is a everlasting liquid lipstick. I'm sorry if I'm all over the place for this, but I was not prepared. I literally just like, I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna turn on the camera. So it is a liquid lipstick, and I already swatched this. Looks like this. It's like a nice nude color. Here is the tube right there. I am just so excited. I love matte liquid lipsticks. I love them. That's mainly what I buy now. And this has a retail price of $20. So we'll do the math here. 24, 30, 20. I mean, that is, you know, that's getting up there. Next thing I saw was this spray, and it is a repair mask, I think. Yeah, strength plus moisture leave-in mask, and it's for your hair. It says the super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides repair benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of micro-encapsulated argan oil and optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include vitamin B vitamins, coconut oil, biotin helps promote healthier hair that will leave you feeling your very best. I'm near my glasses, dang. Anyway, so this is how it looks like. And I always like this stuff. I like to try stuff like this for your hair. I have a lot of things that have come in different subscriptions that I still use that I liked. And I found that I liked through the subscription boxes. So, you know, you keep buying them. This goes for $16. This little thing right here. So that's pretty good. And it has 2 ounces. Now another thing that it's already swatched on my hand is this palette from Per Cosmetics. They sent a lot of this brand in this box, and I've absolutely loved everything that they have sent. Love it. And this is the Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Now, the cool thing about this palette is that it has eyeshadows. Hold on. There's 2 things got stuck. Oh, it smells freaking good too, by the way. It has eyeshadows and blush, highlighter. It's just so cool. Now, I have swatches of this right here. So you can tell right there in the first one. That is the highlighter, and it's pretty cool. It's just, and I just swatched a little bit. I didn't even really dig in much. Let me show you more of the highlighter because I don't think the camera is doing any justice to it right now. And they're nice and creamy and soft. It's just so nice. Look at that highlighter right there. It's so pretty. That is this blush right there. And then I kind of put the, I don't know, well, I guess it's a blush, but it looks a little darker, so I'm like, bronzer. So I just basically blended this bronzer or blush, whatever it is, right here. It looks pretty nice, actually. And then that last one is this one right here. Now, I like the colors here for the shadows. They are really, really cool, and look at this gold, like, they're just so pretty. Let's try this one. Oh, wow. No. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm already in love with this. I already love this, and I haven't even put it on my face. But this goes for $38. It's $38. So this is obviously over $100 worth of products right here, and you only pay $20 every month. Like, this is really worth it. Another subscription that I have, it's the Morphe. It's Morphe brushes, and you get $30 worth of brushes every month, at least. That's the minimum. And it's $20 as well. And I will go ahead and I can do videos on that if you want to see that, what kind of brushes. Literally, I had already started a brush collection before this, but this subscription has just, Yes, I have my brush collection that I wanted, and Morphe brushes are so good, very inexpensive. I love them. That's really what I use almost every day. Even if I have different ones, I have an I have an It Cosmetics brush, foundation brush, and I still go back and use my Morphe brushes. Like, I just love them. So I will go ahead, and as soon as that one will arrive towards the end of the month, beginning of November. So I'll go ahead and show you that once I get it. But yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you. Just come up here really quick and show you what I got in the subscription box for October. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a like if you would like to see more unboxing videos like this one. I'll keep doing it. Just please give me feedback. Give it a like, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe so you can come back and see next month and Morphe and much more. I will have a review on a foundation coming up soon. So hit the button, subscribe, hit the bell button so you are notified when I upload those videos, and follow me on my social media. They will be down in the description box, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.